In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to a Wix website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, let's dive into your Klaviyo account. You'll want to navigate to the Integrations section. To do this, click on your account name located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. From the menu that appears, select Integrations. Once you're on the Integrations page, look for the button that says Add Integration in the upper right corner. Click that, and a search bar will pop up. Here, simply type in Wix, and you should see it come up shortly. Once you spot Wix, go ahead and click on the Connect to Wix option. This action will redirect you to the Wix platform. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to enter your Wix credentials to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll see a permissions review screen. Take a moment to read through the permissions that Wix is asking you to grant Klaviyo. If everything looks good to you, click on Agree and Add to move forward. Now you will be redirected back to Klaviyo. Here, it's crucial that you verify your store URL. This step is especially important because you can only connect one Wix store per individual Klaviyo account. Double-check the URL shown and make sure it corresponds to the website you intend to link. Next, let's move on to configuring your on-site tracking. Look for the setting labeled Add Klaviyo On-Site JavaScript. This option should be checked by default. Keeping this setting enabled is essential because it allows you to track visitor behavior on your Wix site and also ensures that Klaviyo sign-up forms can be displayed correctly. Now it's time to sync your subscribers. To do this, you want to check the box that says Add New Wix Email Subscribers to a Klaviyo List. This is where you'll choose your preferences for subscriber management. Use the drop-down menu to select the specific Klaviyo list into which you want to funnel new signups, like your main newsletter list. Once you've made all your selections and you're happy with the configuration, it's time to complete the setup. Look for the button that says Complete Setup and click on it. If everything went smoothly, a success message should appear on your screen, letting you know that your Wix data is officially syncing with Klaviyo. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Klaviyo to your Wix website. This integration will streamline your email campaigns and help you manage your customers more effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe.